So the AliExpress 11/11 sale is going to happen, you guys. It's almost here. I think at midnight it'll start in the United States. But anyway, I feel that the 11/11 sale is always better than the other 3 sales throughout the entire year that AliExpress holds. So I don't know. I feel like I shop this one more. Maybe because it's towards the holidays and I like to spend. So anyway, I'm going to go through my cart, but I will also link all of my favorite shops as well, like Alina and kscraft and all of them as well. So anyway, I'm in my cart. And in my cart, I have several things that are listed more than once, like more than one item in my cart from different shops, because not all the shops are the same price. So for instance, all these candy ones right here, I saw them after the fact, so I added them to my cart again because I do go through at the end in my cart and I check the pricing. So for instance, the swirly one is more expensive than this swirly one, and this one has free shipping. So I go back to this one and I delete it, and I'll just go through my cart and compare pricing on things, which one's cheaper, and just in general, I think this store was more expensive, but I couldn't remember because, you know, you're searching and you're looking at a bunch of stuff, you guys. So now I have the cheapest version in my cart. So back up to the top, starting with my number 1 thing in here is this cute little bat box. So everything's in centimeters, millimeters. I did the conversion on Google. I think the whole die from left to right is 5 inches, 5 inches and something rather. So once you fold it up, it's going to be a small little box, but it's still super cute for $1.81. And then do pay attention to the shipping. But look at the sale day, it's $1.74. So you're saving 6-7 cents, I guess. But all those little cents add up, you guys. So that's why I like shopping on 11/11. Like I said, pay attention to the shipping prices. If there is any shipping, a lot of stores have free shipping. A lot charge, you know, several cents and whatnot. Next thing is this bow right here. This is like a Big's die. It is a big, thick wood piece. You'll notice right here, wood steel rule, or base steel rule, which means it's those big ones, big, thick mama jumbo ones. I just like the way that it folds like that. Look how cute this bow is. A little fishtail right there. So, as you can see, there's different sizes, $17, $20. I was like, yeesh. And then look, I found a cheap one. The 1.75 inch is only $8.99. Do pay attention to the shipping, but it is heavy. It's a big old block, so that's probably why they're charging that, as you can see right there. But think about how expensive the big dies are here in America. So I'll definitely have to look at this one, see my total, see if I'm going to buy it and whatnot, but super cute bow die. Down here, we have these nesting little egg dies that does have the stitching detail on this, and when I converted this into centimeters, or I mean into inches, I want to say it was like 3.5 or almost 4 inches or something like that. Super cute. Also note the shipping, you guys, on certain items. You can ship from China or the United States. You notice China shipping is 40 cents, and when you click on United States shipping, it is $2.63. It will ship from the United States. Notice the price, and you notice how many days, 4 to 7 days. So you do pay the price. Like if you want to pay an additional $3, you can have it shipped super fast. Or China for 40 cents. I always pick the China shipping method because it is cheaper or free in most cases. And I don't mind the waiting game, so I purchase the China shipping way. Next, some cute little Easter bunnies, or just regular bunnies. I like the different sizes and the outline of it. Cute little bunnies. I don't know what size these are, so always check your guys' measurements, you guys. And then I just noticed, look, there is no shipping price, sale price. There's no big bar at the top saying sale price 11/11. So this is a full price item, and this can wait in my cart because it's not rushing to be on sale, so he can wait. Here are those candy dies. I'll just show a little picture. Super cute. Look at, you can make little candy canes and swirls, put that on top of a circle. I think that would be really cute. Then there's this square one, and then this little swirl, like candy shaped one. I saw someone make a Halloween version with that. Super cute little dies. Next are these cute little banner like alphabet Like, look how cute. Look at this card. So it shows like how small they are. You can make cute little embellishments with these, I think. So these are the shape of them, you know. You notice those are two different shapes, the card example and then the actual little flag pieces. So cute little die, and it's $1.58, and then $1.55 on the sale or at midnight or whatever you want to call it. Then in my cart, I think I added two, yeah, to see which one was cheaper of the two. And then also check the shipping. So even though this one is cheaper, you have to pay 66 cents in shipping. So overall, the whole item is more expensive than the one above it. So just pay attention to that. Shipping plus the item is your full price, like how much you're paying. So delete it even though it's cheaper. Then I'm going to get different sizes of the Alinacraft double-sided adhesive that I told you guys about. So I'm going to get the 8mm, the 5mm. I already have the 3mm, so those are good. Then this one, this is from Andy's store. Look how cute that hocus pocus die is, you guys. So you can either get the hat or the hocus pocus. I mean, they're two different little things. Look how cute! I love that, and I can't believe I haven't seen that. So anyway, get that guy. Then here, I wonder if anybody has these. It's like a little ring, you slide it on your finger, and it kind of just opens up the jump ring for you for jewelry making or charm dangles. So I thought that was cute. Not cute, but for $1.44, I'll see if it works. Slide it on your finger and voila, instead of 2 pairs of pliers. Then I added these little pink, what are they called? Wire clippers. So they have the different pliers, and then these are the wire clippers that I'm going to add to my cart because I already got some pliers from AliExpress. I need some clippers. Then here is some wool to make those cotton candy embellishments. Oh my gosh, so cute. I even bought a brush to make some handmade, but I figured I could buy some too. So if you click on it, you can see that, for instance, you can add whatever color, 50 grams or 100. I don't need that much because I'm just making tiny little like embellishments. So I got them, I wanted the mint, the pink, and then like a peachy-ish pink. I think those are super cute. And they're about 24 cents cheaper on 11.11. So yeah, those guys. Then this is like a bundle, but I don't know if I'll use all of those colors of wool. So I may or may not get those. I might just stick to the like solid plain colors. Then down here are the little caps, like for, oops, not that one, for your beads to make them fancy, like your dangles and stuff. $1.38 for the whole little box, you guys, and free shipping. And then obviously on 11.11 they are $1.27. So really great deal for these little like bead fancy cap thingies. And then in my cart, here's some more of those bales, but looking at that person's hand, they look kind of big now that I'm looking at them. I'm going to have to check the measurements on these. I already ordered the heart ones. These are just like long, what's that, 25mm? I don't even know how big that is. Next are these little like circle thingies. These are for like all the planner girls. Happy planner, where you at? So here are those like the rose gold ones. I saw somebody make like a Project Life card like and put these in the Project Life and made like a itty bitty little like flip book. But look, $1.49 a lot. I think there's 6 in a lot. Look at all the colors. And I want to say at Hobby Lobby those are like $15. So that's a good deal. Then they have this like Rosey Studio brand, and look at these are like those thicker style ones. Oh, they're like super dimensional. Like puffy, well those don't look puffy, but on a side, recommend to buy. It looks like they have more of that collection in other things like flat back gemmies and ephemera. So I'm just trying to like show you, look how cute that cake is. So cute. And then there's a little gemstones from the collection. Then I have some red flowers in my cart, perfect for Valentine's Day or Christmas. I don't think I have red flowers. I think that's why I had them in my cart. You can either get this in increments of 72 or 144 pieces on this specific listing. So there's a price change, obviously, depending on how many you get. So pay attention to that when you guys are ordering, because look down here. For 144 flowers, it's $1.44. So technically, it's 1 cent regular, but they go on sale for $1.22. So less than 1 penny per flower on that guy. Then these looked interesting. These are like paper, not paper, like real life dried out flowers, and they come in these like little look like little Lunchables or freezer meals, with little dried out itty bitty little flowers, and it's a mix, so you can't really like pick which one you want. You would just get whatever. And on the sale day, they are $2.20, so I don't know, I think those would be cute to play with or embellish and alter or whatnot. Then this sequins trim, oh my gosh, look at that rainbow one. That is what I'm obsessed with. Look how cute that is. It is so pretty. And over here on the listing, let's see here. It's probably the mixed one. They probably didn't know to put like rainbow or unicorn. So that one is super cute. Next are some like toys. If you have kids, grandkids, you work in a school, a Montessori daycare, run your own daycare, I don't even know. So this is like a little box, like a blindfold box, and you stick it's a game. You stick your hands in there and you guess what the item is. So your kids would guess like the shapes and like this stuff, but I figured for like my daughter, she's older, you know, she's gonna know that right away. I could stick food in there, like guess what food it is, and she's gonna stick her hand in like a bowl of mayonnaise or something, because I'm mean like that. Ah, that was funny. Okay, and then this one, I haven't seen anything like this in America. It's got like a little slit, and you put your strip in the back. So this is eye-hand coordination, sorting, doing the right shapes, numbers, counting, all that jazz in this cute little box for $10.34 on the sale day and free shipping. Then we have this one right here. This is like a little pegboard kind of for counting numbers and alphabet. Usually like the Melissa and Doug ones are just the numbers, just the alphabet, or vice versa. So just, you know, do your due diligence and see where stuff is cheaper and stuff. And I really love wood toys. So for the ABCs and the numbers, it was pretty cheap. And this one is a little wooden Tetris one for my older daughter. They kind of got to put all the little pieces in there and whatnot. The shipping is $3.30 something, so I'm going to see if I can find cheaper shipping, because the actual item is only $1.17 on the sale day. Next is this one. It's a cute little like dentist slash doctor. There's 3 different kits available, ranging from $16 to $18-ish. Like some come with the bag and like other little pieces, but I love that you can like rip out the teeth like a dentist. I love that it's wood. Comes with all these little accessories. Super cute. Little wooden kit. Next is this one. This is like, oh, if you notice, I added 2 to my cart. One is clearly way cheaper on 11.11 versus the other one, so I am definitely deleting one of them. That's why I like to add multiples of the same item to my cart from different shops. Come on, delete. Then there's this little alphabet, like alphabet and counting. It's got the flashcard. It comes with a little box, and they can count, and then they do the little like piece lines up the alphabet, the little wood piece lines up on the cards for how many of each or the actual letter. Those are super cute. And you notice I added 2 to my cart. One is clearly way more expensive. Delete. Then there's this little guy. These are like wood layering pieces. It's either bears or bunnies, and it's like expressions of the face, you know, angry, happy, sad, and then like their clothes. So then there's this little one. It's like a magnetized, either a worm for the apple or the strawberry. Super like fishing, you know. Then there's this one, which is super neat. I know there's Melissa and Doug ones like this, but I like that these all stacked on top of each other in one block. So it just layers it up. You know, the skin, the muscle, the clothes, the finished product will be addressed to little boy or girl. And then some bows, baby girl. Then this one was a spiderweb one. I need to go through my stash. I don't know how many spiderwebs I bought this year. I need to look and see if I'm doing too much. So yeah, that's my cart for now. I know I'll probably be like scrolling like a troll on the internet all night looking at stuff, adding to my cart, what to buy, what not to buy. But yeah, happy shopping, you guys, and good luck!